could see this city just how it used to be, burning with the fire of industry. Wish that you could feel the life we once felt on these streets, but you can't. No, you can't. 'Cause I'm on my way through some kind of ghost town. I'm on my way back home. I'm on my way. Wish that I could slow down. I'm on my way back home. Nothing but a wounded highway, no blood in these veins. You hardly see a car, truck, or train. There's no one left to say what happened, but I want someone to blame. But I can't. No, I can't. 'Cause I'm on my way through some kind of ghost town. I'm on my way back home. I'm on my way. Wish that I could slow down. I'm on my way back home. Looking for some answers in the rubble, rocks, and sand, but digging's got me nothing but some more dirt on my hands. I didn't see it coming, I never thought we'd see her fall, but maybe she was crumbling all along. So you could see my family just how it used to be, burning with a love so bright and free. I wish that I could hold my mama just once more before she leaves, but I can't.